Let's see more in ML syntax. So dictionaries and lists can also be represented in an abbreviated form if you really want to, but normally we don't use much. But let's see. Begins with three hyphen, and then this is a dictionary. That's Martin. Martin records a name Martin, deplorer, and job developer, skill alleged. So this is the Martin's record. It's a dictionary, and we have a fruits one with a list. So this is the way we also represents. These are generally called as a flow collections. So let's write one more file. Flow collections dot ml. So hyphen and it's flow collections. So first begins with Martina and its dictionary. The name, it's Martin Schwarzberger, and then after that we have job developer, then finally we have skill, that is Golang. So this is one way, absolutely correct, the script. Then another one, fruits list. We're gonna represent, that's a list, obviously square bracket, similar to our Python, of course. And then orange. Then we have strawberry. Then finally mango. So this is how we represent the flow collections: a dictionary and a list. So then we also a few more things, but these are very important. So Ansible doesn't really use this too much, whatever that we're going to see, but that's important. That's important. We use that in our ML files. So, but you can also specify a Boolean value, true or false. Boolean value true or false in several forms. One of that is create key. Yes, we use it. We use this in ML files. We use this widely. So need agent false, no whoop, true, true, false. Okay, use lowercase true or false for Boolean values in dictionaries if you want to be compatible with default ML lint options. Okay, for dictionary use lowercase. So let's add this in our, so this one, Boolean items. So as usual, create key, and then so true, it's a dictionary kind. Then needs agent false, then knows, oops, that's a object oriented programming, true, any one is works, but it's better you go with the uh, lowercase. And likes Emacs, it's true. Okay, then finally we have uses CVs and false. So that's how we do. So here we have represented flow collections and then Boolean items also. Let me close this with dot 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 and save it.